Welcome to DelphStack. Today, I will show you how to download and install Where Winds Meet on your PC. First, you need to download and install Steam. Go to the official Steam website and download the installer. Once it is downloaded, run the installer and follow the steps to install Steam on your computer. After installation, open Steam. If you do not have an account, you need to sign up. Fill in your details and complete the registration process. Once you are signed in, you will be on the Steam store. In the store, use the search bar to look for Where Winds Meet. Click on it when it appears in the search results. On the game page, select the option to add it to your library. After the game is added, go to your library. Find Where Winds Meet in your list of games and click on Install. Steam will download and install the game on your PC. Once the installation is complete, you can click play and start the game. That is all you need to do to download and install Where Winds Meet on your PC using Steam. Thanks for watching.